Let's unbox these decorative wood chain links. They came whitewashed and they're advertised as boho farmhouse, but that's not my style. But I wanted to get these knots anyway, and I'm glad I made the choice. And being my creative self, I went ahead and I spray painted in the color that best suits my style. So you can definitely change them up if you like. You can use whatever color, and spray painting is easy. I just spray paint them each section at a time, give it a few minutes, and then I rotate them so I can get all the areas. They're made of pine wood. I appreciate natural wood, but this is what I'm going for right now, and I just love how the knots stand out even under the gold paint. It looks very nice, and the knots are smooth, they're well made. Each one measures about 5.5 inches, and here's how I style my knots. I'm really loving this decor piece. It makes a bold statement and they can be used in any room. It adds a nice touch to my space.